Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. It's a weekly update from 23rd January to 27th January 2023. How did you do last week? I believe that everybody you become profitable, and this week also I want you to be profitable. Do you have any planning for this week? How you are trying to trade this week? Whether you are going bearish side or bullish side? Whether you are long-term trader or short-term trader? You trade for short-term or long-term? How you are trading? Planning, that is important thing, and everybody we should trade based on the planning. If we do not have a planning, then even if we have a profit for short term, then over the long term we'll be in loss. That's the reason planning and discipline in trading, that's the most important thing. Okay, so at the moment, just here you can check at the moment the price that is 11,600. At the moment price is here, you can see price is here, and there is immediate resistance label in 11,700. This is the immediate resistance label. From this label it is expected to fall the price down, but if it holds this label, or if it holds this label, then it is very likely to touch 12,000, 12k in the coming week. Okay, so what you need to do is that until 11,700, don't do anything. Just check the whether it is whether it holds that label or not. If it holds 11,700, then put your stop loss in 11,600, this label, and go in buying side. Okay, if it cross 11,700, and your first target that will be 12,000, and 12,000, and your second target that will be your 12,200. That will be second target. If it cross 12,000, then lots of investors, lots of buyers, they will be attracted, and then price will go very high. But if it fails to cross 12,000, then price will drop again. Okay, so before further analysis and prediction, let's check some weekly data. What type of data are going to be released this week, and based on that I'll come back to this chart and then I'll do further analysis. Alright guys, major data of the week. Monday there is no major data. Tuesday also we don't have any major data for this week. Wednesday we have a crude oil inventory. Thursday, core durable goods order, GDP, that's a quarterly, initial jobless claim, and new home sales. They will be released on Thursday. And Friday, core PEC price index and pending home sales. These are the data going to be released in this week. So guys, we have checked the data that are going to be released in this week. Those data, they are not that much positive. If those data are not positive, what we can expect is as soon as the data release, market will fail, and when market fail, after that it will rebound, because it shows that economy slow down, and then economic slowdown, that indicates that inflation rate also that is going to be decreased. Based on that, the investors' sentiment that will be changed, and then they expect that Fed that will not make any tightening economic policy, and it will not be that much aggressive to increase the interest rate. That's the reason investors they will be hopeful, and then they will enter into the buying side as soon as the price fell. Okay, so if the data they are negative, then we can expect next week, coming week, market will reach up to 11,400 this level. Okay, probably first it will touch around 11,700, and from that level it will go down 11,400, and it is a very less chance to cross this level 11,400. It will rebound from this level. If it fails from this level, then next that will be 11,200, but it is unexpected. Okay, it is unlikely to touch 11,200. Okay, so if it touches 11,200, then consolidation, you can see some consolidation. Sometimes you can see a very less movement, and when it has a less movement, after that you start buying from this level. If it reaches 11,200, put your stop loss in 11,100 and jump in buying side. It will touch 11,400. When it touches 11,400 at this level, then change your stop loss from 11,100 to 11,200. That's your break even, and then wait. Market will jump to 11,600. Change your stop loss from 11,200 to 11,400. You'll have a 200 profit, 200 points of profit. And when it crosses 11,700, again change your stop loss from 11,400 to 11,600 and wait for 12,000, and in 12,000 you can exit your trade. Okay, so this is the planning for this week. Okay, this is the bullish side. For the bearish side, when it reaches 12,000, you can try to sell. Okay, but you should be very, very careful. If it fails to cross 12,000, then sell from that level 12,000, and your target 11,700. This week I don't think that it will go that much down. That's the reason. If it touches 12,000, if you can sell from that level, and your target that will be 11,700, and your stop loss 12,100. Okay, but if it just goes 11,700, and if you want to sell from that level, just check whether it crossed this level or not. If it doesn't cross, then you can sell from that level, and then maximum you can hold up to 11,400. From that level it is very high chance to rebound. So that this is buying and selling side. You can be profitable by buying and by selling. You can go both way. Okay, you can go both way, but put your stop loss very tight. Without stop loss, don't enter into the market. All right, so this is the planning, and this week also it is expected the market to go up. Okay, just you can check that here the market trend that is changing. Okay, check here, this is the market trend. It's changing, it's going up. Okay, so for the long term, selling that is very, very risky. I want everybody to go into the buying side, but it will not be that much of volatile or that much of big movement. There will be very, very slow movement. Still it will continuously keep on going up. Okay, keep on going up. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably we will not see that much volatility. Just we'll see very, very slow movement, and some sideway also we can see Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday we can see some volatility, and Friday that will follow the trend that is set by Thursday. Okay, so check here, it is going up, and then here you can clearly see that this label, here you can see, yeah, clearly here you can see 11,000, this level 11,300 level, this level, it was resistance level, strong resistance level, but it has been broken. That's the reason what we can expect is market is slowly going up, market is building, and then you can see here the 12,000 one major resistance, 12,200 another major resistance. As it across 12,200, then it is a very secured buying side, that is going to be very secured. It will go up, some pullback, going up, pullback, going up, it will go like that. All right guys, now let's check summary of the video. Okay, so the prediction, weekly data are expected not to be that great, which indicates market is squeeze or slow down. Okay, as we say, the data they are negative, then it indicates that market is a slowdown or economy is squeezing. Investors' confidence can be increased because at the moment, because of that inflation rate and increased interest rate, the investors, they are quite worried, and then they are not jumping in the buying side. But as soon as the inflation rate goes down and there is no aggressive interest rate, then investors are confident that will be increased, and it is highly possible to go bullish side for the short term, okay, but not for long term, because still inflation rate and interest rate, that's very high. That's the reason it will not go steadily very high. So for the short term we can see bullish side, and then definitely we can see some pullback. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday can be slow move. It will not be that much big. It will be slow move and not that much volatility, and possible some sideway on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thursday definitely can be volatile, expected to touch 11,400 as we see negative data, and we can see rebound quickly from that level. Friday follows the same direction set by Thursday. Which side we see Thursday, whether bullish or bearish. If it is bearish, we can see same side Friday, and then if it is bullish, it's highly possible to see same side on Friday. 11,700 is the immediate resistance level, and crossing this level means 11,700 will touch 12,000, followed by 12,200. In 12,200 there is very strong resistance level. If it fails to cross 11,700, there is short term, okay, not long term, short term selling opportunity with the target 11,400. If it fails to cross 11,700, put your stop loss in 11,800 and wait your target 11,400. As it holds 11,400, if it can't break 11,400, buy with the targets 11,700 first target, 11,700 that's the first target, and the second target 12,000 with stop loss 11,300. Just put 100 points stop loss, very tight. Until 12,000 it is risky to sell. Okay, until 12,000 it is risky to sell. In 12,000 there is a resistance level, and then you can sell from that level. If it cross 12,000, there will be 12,200, another strong resistance level, and you can sell from that level. Thereby keep on buying in every dip, okay, every dip keep on buying. Like if it reach 11,200, buy from that level. 11,400, another buying opportunity. 11,700, another buying opportunity, with the target 12,000. Is it not expected any sharp fall in this week? We can see some fall, but not sharp fall. Okay, so I believe that this video is helpful you to analyze and to predict. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, write down in the comment box and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.